In this video, we will talk about how to fix setting not opening Windows 10. Make sure to watch the complete video before you follow any step. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on bottom bar. Select Task Manager. Scroll it down and look for Windows Explorer, right-click and select Restart. Now click on Windows icon and try opening the settings again. Method 2. Re-register settings app using PowerShell. Click in Search, type PowerShell. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the command in here. I have mentioned the command in the description. Now press Enter. Click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 3. Reset Windows Store apps. Click in Search and type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Enter a command, wsreset.exe, and press Enter. It will clear the Microsoft Store cache, which may help. Method 4. Enable settings via Registry Editor. Click in Search and type regedit. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. You have to be in this location. I have mentioned it in the description. You can copy-paste in here. Now on the right side, if you see a value named Settings Page Visibility, right-click on it and select Delete. So that's how you can fix setting not opening Windows 10. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.